Hi mga mamshi, great afternoon here in the Philippines, no? So we're home and yung didakin natin, yan, we have our didake for 2026. So hindi natin kailangan i-check sa email. Thank you Danielle and Erica for my didake. Yan. Daily Bible Reflections for Catholics. Ang didakin natin today is Godly Inheritance. The one who wrote today's story is Sis Risa Kaupeng, Singson Kaupeng, if I'm not mistaken. So she talks about godly inheritance. So ano ba yung godly inheritance that she's talking about? So it's about things na we inherit or practices na na-absorb natin from our parents. So sa kanya, from her mom is yung daily going to mass. So parang in a way sa na absorb daw niya yan, ano, and what else, yung prayer, rosary sa bed natin under our pillows or holding the rosary before sleeping, Bible near you, near your bed. What else, ano po ba yung mga rituals natin or practices, or saying the rosary, praying the rosary, saying the Angelus. So yun yung mga godly inheritance that we can pass on through our children. So attending mass as a family. Bayan yung mga nami-miss nating practices that we have been practicing for so many years. But because right now our children are out of the house, so yun, kami lang ni Papsi yung nag-attend ng mass. So majority right now is online because of the pandemic. So Lord, thank you for all these practices or na ina-imbibe natin o na-practice natin throughout the years. And we're still practicing right now, like praying the rosary, especially during the pandemic, attending mass online, at listening to podcasts from mga spiritual pastors like Padre Bo Sanchez, Joel Austin, or whoever yung mga naririnig natin who have positive messages about the Lord, about Bible study or sharing about the Lord. So thank you for watching, guys. See you on our next video.